I am Elton John P. Kahayagan along with Elizabeth and Naurit. We will be discussing about heat. Heat. Heat is a transfer of thermal energy caused by a difference in temperature. Heat transfer. The transfer of thermal energy between substances due to a difference in their temperature, moving spontaneously from hotter object to cooler one. There are three types of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction. The process that moves thermal energy from one object to another when they are touching physically. An example of conduction are conductors and insulators. Conductors are materials that transfer thermal energy easily, while insulators are materials that doesn't transfer thermal energy easily.
Convection is the movement they transfer thermal energy with liquid and gas for this is the up and down movement of gas and liquid caused by heat transfer as the gases and liquid is heated, expansions and rise because it is less than when the gases and liquid cool if become dishur and fail. As warning was missing to cooling and failing, it create a convection current. Current is the primary and if heat moves off to glasses.
Radiation. Radiation is a transfer of energy by electromagnetic moves. Radiation does not require matter to transfer thermal energy. This is defined as electromagnetic waves travel through space. When electromagnetic waves come in contact with another object, the waves transfer the heat to that object. Its heat is traveling in the form of visible and non-visible light. That's all, and thank you.